Priya here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tasty dessert using leftover cake and leftover ganache. So let me show you what you're going to need. So I've got about 380 grams of chocolate cake here. You're just going to mash it up with a fork, and then you're going to add about 150 grams of melted chocolate and about 170 grams of softened chocolate ganache. So we've got the melted chocolate here, and this is your chocolate ganache. So you're just going to, once this is mashed, we're going to mix those through. So now just pour in your melted chocolate. And your melted ganache. And just stir those through. So now that you've got your cake crumbs and the chocolate ganache and melted chocolate all nicely incorporated, just with clean hands or with a pair of gloves, just start forming the dough into nicely formed balls. And once it's a nice shape, you can dip it in any of your favorite toppings. I've just got some flaked chocolate pieces here. You can use chocolate rice or hundreds and thousands, or you can even dip the whole thing in melted chocolate, and you can even use this as a base for cake pops. So it's quite a versatile thing that you can use. And all you need to do once you form the balls is put it in the fridge so that it can firm up, and then it's ready to be eaten or served. So hope you enjoyed the video. Happy cooking!